Hey guys, we have got a really sweet 1956 Ford F100. You've probably seen this at shows. We just finished it. It's amazing. But one thing we want to talk about is the interior of a pickup truck. So in 1956, there's really not a lot of options for interiors. You got to go to a shop. You've got to find someone to design it, build it for you. But we now have, for 1953, 1956, full interior kits. We've got a really sweet custom dash pad we make that we can help you with. We've got really nice fiberglass, not ABS, but fiberglass headliner, back panel for your 1953, 1956 as well. Kick panels, where we help you put the speakers and everything perfectly in. If you check out these kick panels, there's speakers and speaker grills built in there. Everything's designed to work and fit together. Door panels. These are bucket seats. You can get bucket seats, but we also do a bench seat. We don't offer the console. This isn't something that you can purchase. This was a custom item for this truck, but you can get your AC valance and you can get all matching sun visors. You even get little clips. You notice this? We put little clips right here so that you can kind of go up and down and this won't hit you. Fully customizable. We got lots of colors, lots of leather. You can do it in vinyl, whatever it is you want. And we'll even help you do a little bit of the designing to make sure it looks and fits your truck. Take a look at the door handles. The door handles are custom billet door handles that allow you to fit those on your truck with an actual door panel without rubbing your leather away. We sell the carpet in addition, but you'll have to have that installed somewhere locally. Also, not to mention, you're gonna get a pretty cool little detail bag. You can put all your car cleaning products and it matches your upholstery. So when you're showing up at a show and you wanna just have your car cleaning stuff here, you don't have to have it in a terrible looking bag. It can look just as custom as your build is. So we've got 53 to 56. We also got 67, 72, 73, 79, and also 57 to 60 is coming real soon. We're in design work on that. You'll be able to order that. We're gonna have the full gamut of all interiors for all your F100s. Right behind it is coming all Chevy. So stay tuned, click the link below, follow us, and you'll be kept up to date on all the new products coming out at Fat Fender Garage. We'll see you next time.